In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stock on TradingView. We'll walk through the exact flow from finding TradingView to placing and confirming a stock order, so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening your browser and searching for TradingView. In the results, click the official TradingView link that says Track All Markets. That takes you to the home page. From here, go to the Products area and open the charting platform. The chart is where you'll do your analysis and place trades. At the top of the chart, use the symbol search. You can switch to the Stocks tab to filter for equities specifically, or simply type the ticker or company name into the search bar. When you see the stock you want, click it to load the live chart. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct symbol and exchange. Now it's time to place a trade. Click Trade to open the trading panel. You'll see options like DOM and Order. DOM stands for Depth of Market, which shows real-time bids and asks and lets you place orders directly in the ladder. If you prefer a straightforward ticket, choose Order to open the standard order entry panel. Select Buy to set up a purchase. Next, choose your order type. Limit lets you specify the exact price you're willing to pay. Stop can be used to trigger a buy if price moves through a certain level. Market fills at the current market price, which is fastest but can have slippage. Pick the one that matches your plan. Enter the number of shares you want to buy. If you're managing risk on the ticket, enable. Take profit to set a target price where the platform will automatically lock in gains, and enable stop loss to define the price that will cut the trade if it moves against you. If you need multiple targets, use add level to stack additional take profit levels. Review everything: symbol, side set to buy, order type, price if applicable, share quantity, and any take profit or stop loss settings. When it looks right, click Buy to stage the order. A confirmation appears, click Send to transmit it to the market. A quick tip: if TradingView prompts you to connect a broker, you'll need an eligible brokerage connection and an account approved for stock trading before you can send orders. Also, always double check order type and quantity to avoid unintended fills. That's the complete flow. Search, open the chart, find your stock, choose trade, pick DOM or order, set buy, select limit, stop or market, define shares, add take profit and stop loss if desired, then buy and send.